So a lot of you guys have been asking for a tour of my camper trailer. It is the Coachman Catalina Summit Series, and it is a 184 BHS. And BHS stands for bunkhouse. So I'm going to give you a tour. Come on, let's go. Let's start with the back of the bunkhouse. It's my bathroom. And the green thing that you see in the shower is my portable washing machine. As you can tell that this is the dining area. Once you take the tabletop down, you have a full-size sleeping area. The cute little shelves that you see on each side of the window is a DIY by yours truly. Just below the seating area in the dining room, you have lots of storage. In there, I have kitchen appliances and linen. Here's the spacious walkway between the dining area and the kitchenette. So here's my kitchenette. It has a 2-burner stove, and if you guys remember a couple of weeks ago when I was camping, I broke my stove cover top, so yeah. And there's that beautiful backsplash that I put up while I was on my camping trip. Here I have a large capacity fridge, and because I'm in reset mode, there is barely anything in here. But when I say, baby, I have this thing packed to the max, because once I get to the campground, I don't like to leave. Oh yeah, freezer part is huge, it's deep, and I have that packed as well. I'm always bringing food back. This nook is perfect for Takar. This is the bunkhouse area. These bunks are just under a full size. I catch the dickens trying to make these beds up. Don't judge me, but the top is mainly used for storage, unless I have the little one camping with us. And it also have plenty of electrical outlets. This living area is plenty of space for me to chill and relax. It also has cup holders. Right now I have a cover on it because, oh yeah, that's storage. But right now I have a cover on it because I really hate, like when you wash your hands, you put your lotions, and you have the oils on. I don't like for my couches or anything to have that oil stain look. Here are the linens used for this Murphy bed, or if you want to sleep on top of the couch, those are the linens. But I'm about to take the bed down, the sofa down, so I can show you guys how much room it is. It's actually about a full size itself, and it's I'm gonna say it's okay on the comfort level, but I use a foam pad that makes it a little bit more durable for sleeping if I don't want to take down the Murphy bed. But I'm getting ready to take the Murphy bed down real quick, so just so you guys can see. The Murphy bed has a split mattress. Those are very common in RV life, and it is a queen size with sufficient storage on either side to have your phone or any electronics you may need. Now, I'm going to go ahead and dress this bed. As you can tell, my color schemes are woodland and teal. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the mini tour of my camper trailer. I really appreciate you guys for chiming in and asking for this tour, and I hope it was to your satisfaction. I really would like to do a more extensive version, but it's kind of chilly out here and I don't want to plug into shore power right now. But the most part that I like about my RV is my outdoor kitchen. I did not film it today, but I will do an overlay. But for the most part, am I happy with my purchase? I am very happy with my purchase. My camper was built in 2022, and it was during the COVID season. So from like 2020 to 2021, they had a slow production. So like I said, I found some imperfections that I'm not happy with, but I can live with them, so I'm quite okay with that. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. And until next time, keep on trucking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure. Toodles!